Are we going to experience a BBIG short squeeze for the second time in 2 months? We're going to find out right now. Let's dive into it. BBIG is one of those very special stocks. It was a meme stock that was being pushed very hard on Twitter, and it short squeezed literally to the moon, like 300% in a matter of a few days. It was absolutely incredible. I know we're all used to AMC and GameStop doing short squeezes, but there's so many short float interests out there that if you spend a little bit of time to find them and put a little bit of money into each one of these in hopes for these things to go to the moon, chances are you're going to be in a good place. So let's look at BBIG. We played this thing at its last short squeeze. I believe it was at the end of August, early September. Yeah, this is correct. So we got in right around this 550 mark and rode it all the way to $12. For whatever reason within our Discord channel, $12 was the goal. We all had no stop loss and we all had limit sells at $12. Granted, and I want to make a disclaimer, I do not recommend trading like that ever. We do not trade like that on a normal basis, but when we are YOLOing meme stocks, sometimes you got to get frisky. Our sizing was minimal. Anywho, so you can see that this thing had an incredible rise. The Owls Discord channel all sold at $12, which inevitably led to the stock tanking. Yes, we are responsible. No, I'm just kidding. But I want to show you exactly what happened today, how we alerted it, and what we're looking forward to in the upcoming days, because this looks like another tremendous candidate for a short squeeze. So let's get into it and let's see what's going on. And yes, I do draw levels. Even for meme stocks, even for short squeezes, you have to respect the levels because institutional buyers, whale retail buyers, and everybody in between uses these. When people adopt a herd mentality, you have a better chance of predicting price movements because everybody's going to be along the same lines as you are. You may get faked out. Oftentimes, you're going to be okay. Let's check this out. Opens up at about 5.3. We see a lot of volume starting to come in right around here. You see the TTM squeeze showcasing that there's bullish momentum. And we knew that this $6.10 range was a big support and a big resistance, a very key level. Once we saw this thing break, we got in right here after it broke the resistance on this green candle. And we rode it all the way up and sold at $6.50. Why did we sell at this particular point? 2 reasons. Another key level, and it was hitting the top of the second standard deviation of the VWAP. It's either going to break through or come down to the downside. We literally bought these contracts at 47 cents and we sold them for 80 cents once it broke up on this thing. We almost had 100% return. I didn't want to get greedy. We alerted to sell and our owls were very profitable. So now let's look at how the end of the day shaped out. Just consolidating between these two levels, as you can see, can respect it. But then take a look at what happened in after hours. This thing shot to the moon from about $6.36 all the way to $7.20, and it's sitting at $7 now. If you remember what happened to BBIG the first time is that it would have massive price action in after hours. And I'm expecting that if this thing holds this 683, that we could see $7.30, $8, $8.50, and then who knows where we can go from there. Something to keep your eye out on. I do not recommend sizing heavily at all. And if you don't have a larger account, do not engage in this trade. You honestly may be late. Who knows? This thing could spark up to $12 again like it's nobody's business, or it could completely flatline tomorrow. And before we end the video, be sure to like, subscribe to our channel. We're going to continually pump out content for you, but we need your support. And if you haven't, join our Discord channel absolutely free for 7 days. You'll have full access to all of our channels, our live alerts, just like BBIG on our live chat. Get in there, earn some money, make some friends. We have an incredible community, and we hope to keep you around. If not, no problem. It's a free trial. Do what you want to do.